What's up guys? So, nakapalit ko lang na string ng gitara and susukat tayo ngayon pumunta. So, punta ako na din yung sasakyan. Punta lang tayo sa spot and then sa tayo. So, sa atrium ako. First time ko dito mag-atrium. So, yung spot.
Wise man says only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Well, you done me and you bet I found it. Tried to be sure, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done ran out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Sunday morning, the rain is falling. Still some cover shelves I'm scanning. Clouds are shooting us in moments unforgettable. Ways to feed the mold that I meant. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it could lead me back to you. That someday it could lead me back to you. That may be all I need. Darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, I never want to leave.
We're done sa busking ngayong araw. Grabe yung pagod ko. Ayun yung gamit ko and kapak na ako. Kasi mas magsarado ng ang mall dito sa SM Supat. So yun. Nakapagod eh. Pero so yan ang experience dito. Kaya pala talaga dito sa atrium. Anyway, back lang ako din. Larga na tayo. Bye. Tapos na tayo mag-busking. Tapos na rin pack ng gamit. Uwi na tayo. So, nakatawa ngayong araw. First time ko talaga mag-busking dito sa atrium ng SM Supat. And it's a good experience today. So yun. Tara, tuwi na tayo. Next vlog ulit guys. So yun, I'll be posting my next vlog. So, ciao, bye.